eBay sellers, it's Suzanne. In this video, I'm going to explain the eBay duplicate listing tool. This video was actually posted in my premium content library back in October of 2018. So if you are a premium member and have already seen this, it will just be a good review for you. The information is still relevant and correct, and this is a very quick way to check and see if you have any duplicate listings, because that can cause problems later. What you don't know definitely can hurt you. So I wanted to make you aware of an issue that comes up once you start getting a lot of listings, is the possibility that your listings could be duplicated. We don't really know why this happens. It's just a phenomenon on eBay that sometimes listings get duplicated. So you need to stay on top of that and make sure it doesn't happen, because if you don't know the item is duplicated, then both of them could sell, or however many times it's duplicated could sell, and you only have one to ship, so that's going to be a problem. Also, it could count against your allowed listings for the month if you're doing, if you have a store that has a certain amount of listings allowed, like 250 items for the basic store. So if you've got listings in there that aren't real, they're phantom listings, then that's going to count against you. You're going to want to bookmark this site and put on your calendar maybe once a week to go in and run this. Put your store name in and run this, and make sure you don't have duplicates, and stay on top of that, because it happens. It's just an eBay glitch. You probably don't even know that you have duplicates out there, and that's what you don't know can hurt you. So let me just show you how this works. Now, what I did was I just went out on eBay and I just picked some random stores. I just did a search for black cocktail dress, and I just got some random stores because I wanted to show you how this works when it does find listings that are duplicated and what it looks like. So in this case, again, this person didn't have any, so that was good. And then we've got this store which has over 2,000 listings. So it does take a minute or so to pull that up if there's a lot of items. So it says it might take 2 minutes, so just let it go, let it twirl. So this is definitely something you want to put on your calendar to remind yourself to do, because you're responsible for this. So this person has 6 sets of possible duplicates, and so see how it's in red? These listings are absolutely duplicated. Now you may wonder, why does eBay allow this? Wouldn't it catch it when you list it? Sometimes it just doesn't catch it. There may be one character off in the title, like this. See how this first one has the ampersand between purple and neon, and the second one here does not. So they were both started on the same day, and it's the same brand name, style, size, price, gender, type of item, all of that, and just the only difference is that ampersand. And I'm willing to bet the price is the same too. I'm willing to bet that this person did this by accident. Same thing on this next one here, the A6 high top shoes, listed on October 4th, same price, brand, condition, name, like style number, all of that is the same. There's probably one character off in here, like, okay, here it is, it's the dash between high top. So maybe they have multiple people working on their store. Maybe they are a big operation, so they probably have several people going through the listings and refreshing them or whatever they're doing. So if you get any in the red, you need to address that, and one of them that is not real. And then down here we've got one that is considered more likely to be a duplicate. The difference here is there's 2 different prices. They were listed on 2 different dates. But is this the same item or not? The pictures are different, so this one is not a duplicate. But these other ones, these shoes, it's the exact same picture on all of these shoes. So in that case, they probably got duplicates on their store, and that could get them into trouble. Let me do one more store that had a lot of items, because it's more likely to happen when you have a large inventory. And that's just part of being a seller, is staying on top of your inventory, and things are going to happen. It's happened to me. It's like how is this duplicated? I already sold this item. How is this listing still here? And I had to go in and tell them I didn't have the item and, have a cancel the transaction. Okay, so this one over 3,000 listings, and this person doesn't have any duplicates. So just wanted to show you how that works and make you aware of this tool because it is free. You can use it anytime you want, and this will help you stay on top of your listings to make sure nothing is duplicated and you don't get into trouble with selling an item you don't have, or getting charged for items, for phantom listings where the item isn't even there. So check that out, see what you get. Let me know if you find any duplicates and if you knew about this, because a lot of people don't even know it's there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.